this is a caboo, or a close caboo, or a close parent caboo, or a caboo light. There's loads of different variations. They all work in basically the same way. Some have a bit more fabric, some have a bit less fabric, like the caboo light. But they all work in the same way and do the same job, so basically don't worry which one you get. They're really, really nice alternatives to a stretchy wrap. So if you like the idea of one of those soft, stretchy newborn wraps but don't want to have to do all the wrapping yourself, if you don't have quite the confidence for it, then this is a really lovely alternative. It's made from really, really soft, stretchy jersey fabric, a little bit thicker and not quite as stretchy as most stretchy wraps. And it comes in two parts. So you can see I've got this outer layer here, which you need to do a double knot in at the back. So actually you still need to do one bit of tying, kind of the same as a stretchy wrap. And you can see here, this is the underneath layer. Now it sort of goes on a bit like a t-shirt. But the nice thing about this, especially compared to things like a tan and the Connie, other kind of tie-on, non-tying carriers you might see on Amazon, is that you've got these rings here, so it's much more adjustable, so you can get a much better fit for you and your baby. Now we've got a load of these on our website. If you've got any questions, please do give me a shout.